Hello everybody, it is me, Albert Sessions, and today I'll be playing some Subway Surfers. It is only gonna, this is Junior Sessions, my real name is Albert Sessions, and today I will be playing by myself because my brother Jaden is asleep, and let's get started. Oh, jump. Whoa, yeah. And jump, and go down. I've been playing this game for a while, right now, and I got this tablet for Christmas. That's America, and this is my second video I have been doing for from the Black Ops 3, and today I went fishing, and I totally wanted to record that, but I didn't have time to because I forgot my tablet, and it was charging. I would probably do something fun tomorrow, maybe. Luckily, I was doing this, and I will be making some videos daily, even after school if I have time, or yeah. Okay. Oh, penguin. That's mine. Yeah. Okay. We're in Santa's workshop. You're never gonna get me, Santa. I've been a good boy this year. Or have I? Well. And pet it. Oh, that was awesome. Did you guys see that? That's pretty awesome. 211 coins. That's, yeah, that's good. Okay. Today's the day after. Today's the day. Today is Tuesday, actually, and yeah. So I'm saving up to get this guy, and I'm also trying to get Tagbot. I've been trying to get this one, and this looks pretty cool. And toy. I think that's pretty cool. And if you haven't, you should check out the new latest people, Elf Tricky, Ice, and her Isa. And this is a new one that goes by Holiday. It's like these two has to dress up, and here she is. That's Kitty, and this is her Tricky from over here. Look similar. She had the camel outfit and the herd outfit. I have gotten this guy once and I lost him. I think this one is my favorite, and Spike. Yeah, he's pretty rad, and I think this is my most favorite one. This one looks pretty weird. Okay, so yeah, Spike and Utani. But you guys get 500 to get her, and well, and she is the person who looks like my brother, King, and his Count outfit and Memorial outfit. I think I like the Count outfit better. Wait, did he just get her in the arm? Okay, so yeah, you saw that, and boards. I don't have any boards because I just started this, so I got the power trail, and this one's pretty cool too. This is 50,000. I think I like this one. It says special power double jump and special power speed up. This is the shoes and double jump and super jump. Okay, so I got this one. I'm gonna go buy some boards. So I'm gonna go shop. Okay, now go to the board. Buy 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 should be enough. Okay, that's good. Guys, I'm gonna put on my headset. Now we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. Let's do this. Okay, I could hear pretty good. I got this costume. I got that headset for Christmas. And I am not using them. Okay, so we got that, and I think we're ready. Okay. You know we're gonna catch me? Yeah. And jump. Start. Swish. Sound like a ninja. Ooh. Guy knows some parkour. I think I figured out how to make him flip when he jumps. But I think you do this. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it works, but I'm not too sure. Let's try. Yeah. Whoa. Huh. Huh. Whoa. Just flat all over it. You don't want to get on my way, don't blame me. Okay. I'm trying to get jackpot. Nah. No, jackpot. 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 Let's see if we should. One more try. See? This. Angry Bird Blast. No thanks. Yeah, that's tricky. Okay, I just need one more. Get tricky. Yeah. Oh. It's like a ninja one. What? Yeah. Yeah. Wah. Yeah. Going down. Whoa. I could get string. Whoa. Yeah. Wah. Ho. Wah. Now, let's move on to Pac-Man. Okay guys, so coming out and everything, so Pac-Man. Yeah. Okay, Pac-Man. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing some Pac-Man. It's a pretty old school game. I usually play the classics. And yeah, I think that Pac-Man is my most favorite old school game. Except for Mario. Yeah, you know Captain Ghost. Got a power palette. Oh, that's bad. Oh, he needs a chair for himself. Ah, no. Oh, come on. No. Well, okay, guys, so that was our video. My video. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.